After we fix the film on the pallet, the next step we need to set the date in the touch screen. The first we need to input the password is 131419. Enter into system. Okay, now I explain to you each of the date. The first is top cycle. Top cycle means how many cycles we need wrapping on the top. This is button cycle. Button cycle means how many turns on the button. Normally the top and the button we need wrapping more tight. This one is over top. Over top is mean we need to make the film little forward, little up, so we can wrap the four corner of the pallet. And click this logo inside is up and down. This is up and down. Up and down mean go up and down. This means one time. So normally we set is one time, and we come back. This is the wrapping force. We set is from 0 to the 60. Normally, more bigger, the wrapping force is more bigger. This is turntable speed. Normally we set is from the 60 to 100. If the date more bigger, the turntable rolling more faster. The turntable rolling more faster. This is film up, this is film down speed. This is mean this film go up speed and go down speed. So normally we set it. We need input password again. 131419. Enter. And we set is 70, and down also 70. Okay, now the wrapping force we set 15. The turntable we set 90. Up speed we set 70, and down speed we set 70. This is start button. This is pause. This is reset. This is stop. So when you can see here, reset when this guide you how to operate this machine. Long press reset button 2 seconds to reset. You also can click here. You also can click here. So we click it 2 seconds. Okay, now the machine is resetting. After the reset, here where we show you click the start button to start the machine. So this one is start button. Also here is start button. So normally we can start here. So when you need more big tension, we need adjust here. We can set 30 to make it more big tension. Okay, the first normally we set top cycle 2, bottom cycle 2, and over top 1.5 seconds, and the wrapping force we set 30. Turntable we set the 90. Up speed 70, down speed 70. This is start, pause, reset, and stop. So you also can set total 20 memory. Product 2. We click here and turn to the yellow. It means product 2. We can set the date again. Top cycle, bottom cycle, over top, and wrapping force, turntable speed, up speed, down speed. So we can set 35, This one 95. Up speed 75. This is 75. And this means how long time you have used it wrapping this pallet and how many cycles you wrapped on the pallet. In here is the manual model. Manual model, the first we need to click here, click stop, and now we can manual operate the machine. This is a turntable. This is up, film carriage up. This is down. When you click this, the turntable will be running. When you click this, the carriage will be up. So you need to stop it, just click again. Click again. Okay. This is system parameter. This is the how many pallets you have wrapped it, and today how many pallets you have wrapped it. This is the system parameter, and when you set this, you need to contact our engineer, and after we confirm how to reset this the date, and you can reset it. You cannot set this date by yourself. Here is I/O monitor. From here we can see each of the sensor whether work. So when the machine have problems, and we can see from here. This machine information. When you meet any problem, you can tell us the serial number, the model, the version, the date. Here is the record of the alarm. So we can, according to the alarm, and teach you how to solve the problem. This is changing language, Chinese and English. Okay, that's all of the touch screen. After we set everything, we just need to press the blue start button, and everything will be working fully automatic.